Hello traders, in today's video I will show you on how to register on RoboForex. I will also show you on how you can create a demo account and also a real account. During this tutorial I'll also show you on how you can do account verification and also link your trading account to your Metatrader, such that by the end of this video you will be able to open and close trades with your RoboForex account. RoboForex is a very good broker to trade with. They have one of the highest leverage you can have in trading, and they also give you 60% deposit bonus. There are so many fake websites out there who are looking to scam traders. To avoid that, to open an account on RoboForex, make sure you click on the first link below this video. By doing that, your account will be able to get deposit bonuses from RoboForex and rebates from me. After clicking on the first link below this video, you'll be taken to the RoboForex website. Here you need to click on open an account. You'll get to this registration page where you need to fill in your basic information such as your email, first name and last name. Your mobile phone is optional, you don't need to enter it. Make sure you enter your correct details here to avoid future issues. For the partners code, enter FZLA in small letters so that you can receive bonuses from RoboForex. And lastly, tick all these boxes. To start trading, you need to be 18 years or above, but if you are younger than 18, you can ask your parents and use their details. After that, click on register. After registration, you will get this message that says you have successfully registered. You can then now go to the email that you used to register and confirm that this email really belongs to you. Go to that email. At this point you should have a new email from RoboForex. If you don't find it in your inbox, please check it in your spam folder. In that email you need to click on the link in it. After that, your email will be then verified. Your status will now say confirmed. If you then scroll down this page, you will see that you also need to do ID and address verification. I will show you on how you can do this very quickly later in the video. For now, let me show you on how you can create your demo account and a real account. We'll first start with the demo account. In the top menu under accounts, click on demo account. A demo account is just a practice account and you don't risk any of your money. It just allows traders to become familiar with trading before they can advance to the real account. It is advisable that if you are a beginner, you start with a demo account until you know how to trade. So to create a demo account, you have to choose a trading platform. So you can just choose MT4 or Metatrader 4 since it's the popular one. On the account type, choose the Demo Pro. On the leverage, you can select the one you prefer. You can just select the highest since it will give you, or it will allow you to open bigger lot sizes. Then also write your starting capital. You can just leave it at 10,000. And lastly, create your password and then confirm it. After that, click on confirm. Then after that, your account will be created. As you can see here, it says account created successfully, and here is your account information. Okay, now so we have created our demo account. Let me show you on how you can link this demo account to your Metatrader form. RoboForex will send you your account details via your email. These details will enable you to link your account to your Metatrader. So go to your emails and then open that email. Again, if you don't find it in your inbox, please check your spam folders. In this email, we will need three things in order for us to link or connect our account to Metatrader: the account number, the password, and the server. So start by copying the account number and then go and open your Metatrader form. If the account you created is for Metatrader 5, you need to open Metatrader 5, not Metatrader 4. If you don't have Metatrader, there is a link in the description below that will take you to the video that will show you on how to download Metatrader. Okay, to link your trading account to Metatrader, start by clicking File in the top left corner and then click on open an account. Below this table there is a green plus icon that allows you to add a broker. To add a RoboForex to your Metatrader, click on that icon and search RoboForex and allow it to scan. A list of RoboForex addresses will show up, and these are called servers. I've already added RoboForex to my Metatrader, so I'll just select the server that matches my account. So to find the server that is used by your new RoboForex account, go back to the email that has your account details and check it there. Okay, here's the server that my account uses. It's RoboForex Demo Pro. So go back to your Metatrader and select the server. Yours might be different from mine depending on the account you created. After selecting your server, click next, then here select existing trade account. On the login, paste the account number we copied, and then here type the password you created for this account. If you have forgotten it, go back to your email, you'll find it there. Then click on save password and then click finish. And just like that, your account will be connected to your Metatrader and you can start trading. Under files, click on login to trade account, then paste your account number here. Enter your password and then go back to your email to copy the server and then paste it here. Then click login. And just like that, your account will be connected to your Metatrader and you can start trading. As you can see, we have just opened a trade. If you're experiencing problems, please let me know in the description below. I'll be happy to help you. Please leave a like and a thank you comment below this video if it helped you. It will only take 2 seconds of your time to like and comment, but then to me it will mean a lot and motivate me to make more tutorial videos. Okay, now we're done with the demo account. Let me show you on how you can create a real account. The process is still the same, but then with a real account you are required to do ID and address verification. It's very easy. Let me show you. Okay, now on your RoboForex menu, under profile, you need to click on where it says verification. Okay, here click on the verification of ID or passport. You will then be taken to this page where you need to enter your personal information such as your name, gender, and your date of birth. If you scroll down this page, you will see that you also get an option to upload your ID or passport document. This is a must trade as every broker will ask for your documents when you open a real account, so it's not a scam. But then before you fill in here, please read these instructions here so you do the right thing. By the way, these are just basic and personal questions asked here, and they are not difficult, so you should be able to answer them on your own. After that, you will need to upload a picture or a document of your ID or passport. To do that, you will need to click on choose file and then select it in your files, or you can also take a photo using your camera. After you have done that, you need to scroll down and then do the address verification. The process here is still the same as the ID verification. You first read this instruction and then fill in the spaces. Also here you are also required to upload a document showing your address. If you look carefully here under the address verification instruction, there is a list of all the documents that you can that are accepted. you can submit any of these, e.g. your electricity bills or your water bills. The one that I think is popular is the bank statement on number 5. Please note that you only need to upload one document here. I repeat, you just need to upload one document. That's all. There's no need to upload all of them. Just upload one. And after you have completed everything, you need to click send, and then RoboForex team will review them and get back to you. I'll then go and fill my information privately and then come back. I just want to hide my stuff. Okay, after you have set them, you will get this message. Okay, now we are done with the verification. Let me show you on how you can open a real trading account. Okay, on the menu under accounts, click on the real account because you want to open a real account. So go on here and create your real account. Choose your trading platform, also your account type. I just prefer the pro account. Select your currency and pick your leverage. Then here, create your password and then confirm it. On the affiliate code, write FZLE in small letters. This code will allow you to receive a rebate, which is more like of a discount on spreads. In simple words, it allows traders to earn extra cash. And then click confirm. Your real account will be then created and you will receive an email with the details of your trading account. These are the details that you will use to link this account to Metatrader. Start by first copying the account number, then open your Metatrader. Under files, click on login to trade account, then paste your account number here. Enter your password, and then go back to your email to copy the server and then paste it here, then click login. Your trading account will be then linked to your Metatrader. You can start trading, but before you can start trading, you need to deposit funds into this account. If you want me to do a video showing you on how to deposit money on RoboForex account, please like the video and let me know in the comment section below. Other than that, thank you for watching this video and I would really appreciate your like. See you in the next one. Thank you.